In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return profit for the current and previous year using a parameter in Tableau. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Tableau Public app. You can find it easily on your desktop if you've installed it, or head over to Tableau Public's website if you prefer working online. With the app open, navigate to your worksheet. This will be the canvas where we'll visualize your data today. Next, locate the drop-down arrow, typically in the data pane or toolbar. Clicking on this will reveal additional options. You'll want to select Create Parameter from this menu. Now name your new parameter this year and make sure to choose integer as the data type. By doing this, we're setting a numerical basis for our year-based calculations. Continue by selecting List under Allowable Values. This will let us manually specify the years we want the parameter to recognize. For this demonstration, type in the values from 2019 down to 2016. Each entry should be a distinct number, allowing the parameter to cycle through these years as needed. After defining these values, adjust the display format by selecting Number, Custom. Within the display settings, set the decimal places to 0, ensuring that your year values remain whole and precise. Additionally, make sure to uncheck Include Thousand Separators. This keeps the display clean and straightforward. Once you're comfortable with your settings, go ahead and click OK to finalize your parameter. Now it's time to make it visible in your workspace by selecting Show Parameter. This will enable you to interact with the parameter directly on the dashboard. Moving forward, click on Analysis in the menu and select Create Calculated Field. Title this new field This Year Profit. It's at this point you'll input your query or formula to calculate profits for the selected year. With that completed, press OK. We're going to repeat the process to consider last year's profits. Open another calculated field and name it Last Year Profit. Input the necessary query, ensuring it refers to the year prior to the one selected by your parameter. Hit OK once again. Within your worksheet, drag and drop the segment field to the rows area. This will structure your data based on segments, a useful dimension for analysis. Next, take the Last Year Profit calculated field and place it into the columns area, followed quickly by the This Year Profit calculated field alongside it. To enhance your dashboard's clarity, copy both calculated fields over to the text area. This step ensures that the profit figures are not just visualized, but also clearly displayed for review. Finally, wrap up by dragging the legend below the marks card. This provides a visual guide for your data, making it more intuitive for viewers. And there you have it. You've successfully configured a Tableau worksheet to analyze and compare profits between the current and previous years using a parameter. Play around to refine or expand your analysis.